Looking to upgrade your Chevy Traverse interior? We've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 Chevy Traverse seat covers to protect your seats in style. From sleek designs to unbeatable comfort, find the perfect fit for your ride. Let's dive in.
At number 5 on our list, we have the stylish and durable DISUTOGO leather seat covers. These covers fit Chevy Traverse models from 2018 to 2025 and are designed for safety, with elastic side wings for airbag compatibility and reserved spaces for seatbelt sockets and buttons. Made from 5-layer composite materials, they're waterproof, wear-resistant, and comfortable. Plus, the 2 storage pockets on the front seat backs make them perfect for families and pet owners. Their sleek 123D embroidery and 3-dimensional wing protection add a touch of luxury to your interior, while the quick and secure installation ensures they stay in place during long drives. Protect your seats and upgrade your style with DISUTOGO. Stay tuned for number 4 on our list. It's a game changer you won't want to miss. At number 4 on our list, we have the elegant and practical AREKA seat covers. These covers are crafted from porous Napa leather and durable leatherette, offering a smooth, breathable, and skin-friendly texture. With high-density foam padding, they boost comfort, making every drive a pleasure. Designed for full protection, the wraparound style shields your seats from spills, scratches, kicks, and dirt. Plus, they're waterproof, stain-proof, and easy to clean. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps them looking fresh. Safety is a priority here. The fully enclosed design has reserved airbag and seatbelt sockets, ensuring functionality during emergencies and compatibility with child safety seats. Installation is a breeze. Secure them with hooks and chucks, and your car will have a brand new look in just 10 to 20 minutes. Transform your Chevy Traverse with AREKA's style and protection. At number 3 on our list, we have the sleek and stylish JARMAY leather seat covers. These covers are a game changer, offering a black design with striking red threading that transforms your interior into a luxury look. Not only do they look amazing, but they also provide plush padding for maximum comfort during your drives, designed specifically for the Chevy Traverse. They fit perfectly and give your vehicle the feel of a high-end upgrade. Customers rave about the ease of installation and a great value for the price. With top-notch quality in a snug fit, the JARMAY leather seat covers deliver style, comfort, and durability, proving they're well worth every penny. Upgrade your ride with JARMAY and experience the perfect blend of cool looks and premium comfort. Next, we're moving closer to the top. Don't miss number 2 on the list. At number 2 on our list, we have the premium and stylish Coverdream leather seat covers. These covers are all about delivering a snug, leather-like fit that transforms your Traverse into a luxury ride. Crafted for Chevy Traverse models, they fit perfectly with precise cutouts for seatbelts and seat features, ensuring both style and functionality, while installation can be a bit challenging, especially with 3 rows of seats. The effort is well worth it. Many users found it easier with help, but even solo installers were thrilled with the end result. Once in place, the covers look incredible and feel great. Built with quality materials, Coverdream covers are durable and comfortable, making them an excellent choice for protecting your interior while elevating its appearance. If you're ready to put in the work, Coverdream seat covers will reward you with a stunning fit and unmatched style. And now, we're down to the top spot. And here it is, the number 1 spot on our list of the top 5 Chevy Traverse seat covers goes to the EKR leather seat covers. These covers are a perfect match for Chevy Traverse models and offer the ultimate blend of style, protection, and quality. Designed with a vinyl grain texture that mimics real leather, they deliver a premium look that many mistake for factory-installed leather seats. The fit is incredible, covering all 3 rows snugly, and they stay securely in place, even with daily use. While installation can be a bit tedious, the labeled pieces make the process more manageable, and the results are absolutely worth the effort. Parents love how well these covers protect their seats from stains and damage, and the durability ensures they last for years. Upgrade your Traverse with the EKR leather seat covers. It's like driving a brand new car. That wraps up our list of the best Chevy Traverse seat covers. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.